everyone, today we're going to be doing the monthly Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited. I finally got it early again, so we are going to unbox it and I'll show you everything that's in the box this month. So obviously I'm not wearing any makeup or anything. Life's been tough, so ignore that. And we're just going to get right into it. So I'm just going to be grabbing products out of the box. The first is a cream bronzer, which I don't really use cream products all that much. I'm still getting used to them. I feel like this shade's gonna be way too dark for a bronzer for me. I feel like it'll be too like warm toned, but it's still pretty. I just wish it was more like a shade that would work for me personally. The theme this month is it's giving giftable glam, so I don't really know. The product I'm probably most excited for this month is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop like cream thing. I am so excited for this. I did put a little bit on my face yesterday and it felt like heaven, so I'm really excited to try that. Y'all, life has been just a mess, so getting my Boxycharm has been a miracle. This looks so nice. It has a clean scent to it. Not my favorite scent. I'd rather it be like unscented, but it's still really nice and it feels so good on the skin. The packaging's actually really cute. I don't have a ton of Saturday Skin products, and the only products I do have from them I've gotten from Boxycharm, so that's always fun. The next item we have is Item in My Element Eyeshadow Palette. The packaging of this is absolutely stunning. It's giving like, you know, like witchy vibes, which like I love, but this is what the palette looks like. I've never seen this palette before and it's pretty. It's like, it's really natural, which I'm sure is good for everyone else, but for me, I personally prefer bright eyeshadows, right? So like this isn't really up my alley. I do really love that shimmer though, called Moonstar. It is really unique looking. It has like pink and blue and like purple in it. That is really pretty, but like the rest of the shades are just super natural and like not up my alley really. I would love for Boxycharm to include bright options as well, because not all of us do natural makeup all the time. If you saw the thumbnail, you know that I typically do not just do normal makeup, so I would really enjoy a bright palette once in a while from them, but this is still really pretty. I just would prefer like some pops of color at least, you know, but this is still pretty, and that shade I'm really excited to try, to be honest. The next product that we have is a Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil by Sophia and Mabel. This is what it is. It's just like a sheer lip oil. It doesn't really have any color to it. The applicator is nice. I like lip oils, so I'm always down for getting more. I got one from Boxycharm another month and it was so good, so I'm very excited to try this, and I think, you know, why not just try it now? I mean, I don't have anything on anyways, so. It's a little bit thicker than what I would be used to for a lip oil, which maybe that means it'll stay hydrating a little bit longer. Not my favorite formula-wise, but it is still nice, I think. I mean, I just like throwing these on during the day or if I'm not wearing a lipstick, so. The last product that we got this month is a lip scrub, which is like a macaroon sort of flavor, I guess. It's really, it smells heavenly. Oh my god. And it looks absolutely stunning. Like, it looks beautiful. The packaging is super simple and it's cute and I love the vibe of it. I just don't really need a lip scrub like I have so many other ones, but this is a good addition to my collection. So that was this month's Boxycharm. Overall, I'm definitely excited for this product more than anything. Like, this Pretty Pop cream is going to be so good in my skincare collection because I love skincare, so adding a new cream will be awesome, and it just made my skin feel so heavenly last night, so I'm really excited to use this more. This box is kind of like a 50-50 for me, that I love it, but it's also like I could have had more, you know what I mean? Like, I wish there was a pop of color in the palette, So I'm just hoping that Boxycharm will eventually, you know, kind of steer towards more colorful options in the future, because I think that'd be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.